Today we are on 215 Northbound to I-80 Westbound overpass. And we were looking at the superstructure of the bridge, the girders, the pin and hanger assemblies, and the joint seals. And also we had people on top who were looking at the railings and the asphalt. So we have an ultrasonic testing machine, which has a transducer, which pushes sound waves through the pin. And if there's a flaw in the pin, those sound waves will bounce back to the transducer sooner than they should. And it lets us know that there may be an internal flaw developing inside of that pin. In the event that we should see a flaw developing or what appears to be a flaw, then we will bring out extra personnel who will come and look at that, engineers and materials testing people who will take a closer look at that and figure out if action needs to be taken. We did not see any irregularities in the testing today. Everything looked good. A lot of the comments I hear when they see us in the inspection crane is that they couldn't do it, but it's not as frightening as it looks. When we deploy it, it's used for everything underneath. And so on this structure, we use it for the pins, for the girders, for the paint, and for the pier caps that support the girders. It is one of those jobs that kind of makes you think a little bit, and it does feel like you're sort of providing a service for the public, because safety is important on the road. We think of all the safety aspects like not speeding, not driving recklessly, slowing down when conditions are poor, but the infrastructure itself needs to be in good shape for us to be able to travel safely as well. And as you're driving along, it's one of those things that's out of your own control, but we try and bring the control to it by inspecting things and making sure that things are safe.